Hi, my name is Stephen Davis. I'm a systems engineer for Arista Networks. And today, for our quick tech tip, I'm going to showcase the watch command. It's a command within EOS that has been with us for years now, and it's a command that's familiar to many Linux engineers, in particular, as it's been with Linux for a very long time, and it's extraordinarily useful. Let's go into kind of a use case for the watch command within EOS. So on the left here, I've got a router. And if I wanted to, for example, issue a command that's commonly used with network engineers, which is looking at the interface statistics associated with interface of interest, I can do something like show interface Ethernet 2. From here, I can see various fields that have data of relevance depending on what you're looking for, like input packets or output packets, as well as other information. Now, if I wanted to see that information in a time frame kind of context, I would hit the up arrow, which is the classic old school network engineer kind of approach, which is up arrow enter repeatedly to watch for something of interest per se, as it relates to, maybe you're looking for packet counter value or rate counters, packets per second, etc. So to eliminate this old school approach, let's use the watch command. So to do that, it's just watch, and then from here there are two fields that you'll deal with. One is diff, and the other is interval. Let's work on diff first. So let's do diff, and then let's issue the command that we actually want to watch. So show int eth2. So as you can see at the top left corner of this terminal, there's every 2 seconds. So the default watch interval is 2 seconds. As you can see, the diff switch is allowing us to is highlighting the differences in interval kind of perspective. So packets input, packets output, incrementing as traffic is flowing through the router. So let's say that 2 second interval was too slow for me. I need a higher resolution. So for that, you just do watch, and then the second counter diff show int eth2. From here, as you can see now on the top left, it's 1 second intervals. Great, very useful command. Now let's say let's use this in a different capacity. Maybe we're wanting to monitor the behavior of a routing protocol. And in this example, let's use BGP. So I'm going to do bash clear to clear the screen. And from here, I'm going to do a watch, a 1 for interval, diff, show IP BGP summary. Okay, so now we can see that I have 2 BGP adjacencies on this particular router, both in an established state, as shown here. So now on the right side, I'm going to take this router, config int eth1 shut. I'm going to shut it, and you'll see that the state switched to idle, and the time period also reset as a result of the new state that we're in. From here, if I want to do no shut to bring it back, you'll see it goes from active and then back to established. So this is a great command, highly useful and very valuable as it relates to just giving you more context as it's spread out over time of a particular state of the extensible operating system, EOS, within Arista. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you very much.